So now we get to another very important formula when we're calculating derivatives, and that's the chain rule. The chain rule combined with the product rule and the sum rule really are what allow us to calculate the majority of the derivatives that we'll ever have to do. This rule is going to be one of the ones that's tested on your exam. So make sure you understand basically how this works. So the idea is this. If we have some function f of x, then the derivative of f with respect to x is the derivative of f with respect to u, derivative of u with respect to x. So what do I mean by that? Well, so let's write our function. So we'll say, for example, f of x is going to be sine of x squared plus bx plus c. Okay? And now we can take a derivative of a sine function, but now we have a sine of x, but now we have this weird thing in here. So instead we can rewrite this, and we can call this the sine of u. So now when we say df dx, this is equal to df du, which is the cosine of u, right? That's the first term here. And then times du dx. Well, remember, u is x squared plus bx plus c. So the derivative of u is just 2x plus b. So we multiply by a 2x plus b. And then we have to remember back to substitute back in what we had before. So this x squared plus bx plus c. So in other words, we have cosine x squared plus bx plus c times 2x plus b. And so that's how we would calculate the derivative of something like this, where it's almost kind of like a nested function. But you don't have to break it up into all those steps. For example, once you've done this, a number of times, and you remember how to do this, because I'm sure you did this a lot in your calculus class. So if we have some function that's like f of x is equal to x e to the a x squared plus bx, and when we find the derivative of this, then again, first we use the chain rule. So take the derivative of x times e a x squared plus bx plus x times now the derivative of this term. So derivative of that is e a to the x squared plus bx 2ax plus b. And so that's our derivative. So now, using the chain rule, using the product rule, using the sum rule, that's all you're going to need to know about derivatives. There's just two more quick videos just to make sure you know the basic derivatives. For example, I haven't showed you the derivatives of sine functions and cosine functions and exponentials, and so we'll do that in the next couple videos, and then you should have everything you need.